Welcome everybody. I've been cleaning all day and got this space on the porch now. Got toys all over, so we gotta figure out what to do with them. None of my kids want to play with them anymore. But I've been meaning to get a sound check out for this little double melody. I don't know if you guys can see it. So DAAA, like a dulcimer, and double melody strings killing me. It's tough, but I got two old hymns for you. You can hear it, and still working on some other tunes. But let me hit you with these two, and you get a sound sample at least. Now, my little amp, my little mini cube has bit the dust, so I have this other like bigger fender that I have to plug in down here. So really doesn't have any of the fun settings. It's just straight amp, but hopefully that'll crank it out loud enough for the microphone on the phone. So so first one up is Breathe on Me, Breath of God, and see how you guys like it. Alright, so that was Breathe on Me, Breath of God, and now we've got Come Thou Fount. Hang on, let me start over. So there you go. There's their two songs and a little sound sample, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.